Welcome to Finance Dojo. We aim to be the best personal finance educational channel you'll ever need. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right now so you won't miss out. When it comes to keeping track of your personal money, Quicken has a lot to offer. But with new tools available and Quicken's new pricing strategy, it might be time to look elsewhere. So if you're searching for a replacement for Quicken, I've got 13 of them for you. So let's have a look at some personal finance software that can assist you with both budgeting and investing. Number 1. Mint. A fantastic cloud-based tool for tracking your expenditures and budgeting is mint.com. It's extremely amazing since it makes use of various colored lines and blocks to show you how close you are to various spending category budgets. You may categorize your expenditures based on your income. It's an excellent tool, and it's also free. Number 2. Moneydance. Okay, so you might want to look into Moneydance if you truly enjoy Quicken but don't like its price structure. While it is very identical to Quicken, it is not cloud-based software. You download Moneydance to your computer, and after it's installed, you can perform all of the tasks that Quicken allows you to perform, budgeting, tracking investments, etc., directly from your computer. Therefore, there's no need for you to be concerned about any cloud-based data that may be floating around. It's just on your computer. Moneydance is a fantastic Quicken alternative since it provides features that are quite comparable to those of Quicken. Number 3. Tiller Money. You want to look at Tiller Money if you enjoy using spreadsheets, whether they are in the form of Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You may track your income and spending with this budgeting software in a spreadsheet. Additionally, you may connect your retirement funds to a spreadsheet to view that information. Tiller is therefore excellent for people who truly enjoy spreadsheets since it sorts of brings everything together. Number 4. Simplifi. Another budgeting tool to think about is Simplifi, although it doesn't have any investment monitoring features. Thus, this program is excellent to use if your only interest is in managing your daily cash flow. Number 5. Emma. If you're searching for something that's plain simple to use, this one could be right for you because it has a really clean interface. Inside Emma, you can set up a budget and track of your spending, so it has a great clear layout. And if you truly want a personal financial app that focuses on budgeting, you'll just have to test them all out and see which one suits your brain the best. Number 6. Personal Capital. So just like Kubera, Personal Capital allows you to log in and link all of your various investing accounts. It also allows you to keep track of your net worth. They have a cool feature that can help you find any hidden costs associated with your existing assets, and you can easily review all of your investments in one view. Personal Capital offers financial experts, which is a nice thing. However, they frequently try to contact you via phone or email to get you to switch your assets over to being actively handled by one of their financial advisors. If that's not your thing, Personal Capital may not be the best place to look. Number 7. Banktivity. Banktivity is a reliable substitute for Quicken. Essentially, Banktivity is Quicken for Mac users. Therefore, Banktivity is a budgeting and investing monitoring tool that you may use for $65 per year. You should always be aware that there is a $40 price for automatic updates. You need automatic updates so that you aren't using out-of-date software to calculate all of your finances. Number 8. Kubera. Kubera is all about tracking your net worth so that you can easily manage your investments and assets and see it all in one place. Additionally, you may track your cryptocurrencies, but be aware that this requires a monthly subscription that costs roughly $15 each month. Number 9. NewRetirement. To reach your retirement objectives, NewRetirement is focused on helping you prepare for retirement. You may use their calculators to determine how much money you should be setting aside each month for retirement. Currently, you may use the NewRetirement program to create a fundamental retirement plan, or for a small fee, you can upgrade to have access to more of their powerful calculators. This is the approach to take if you're interested in calculating those things for your retirement funds. Number 10. You need a budget, or YNAB for short. The fundamental idea behind YNAB is to live off of your revenue from the previous month and use it to estimate your future income and spending. You may access their cloud-based budgeting software for $84 per year. Since so many YNAB users adore this model, it is clear that it is quite popular. If you wanted to, it may become incredibly detailed. YNAB will be an excellent choice for you if you enjoy details. Number 11. EveryDollar. Now, Dave Ramsey's budgeting software could be of interest to you if you are a fan. Thus, EveryDollar and YNAB are similar in that they both center on zero-based budgeting, which gives EveryDollar a purpose. With EveryDollar, there is a free version and a premium version. You'll have to manually input every transaction in the free version, which may be a bit inconvenient. Therefore, it is recommended that you choose the premium version, which costs $99 a year. Number 12. PocketSmith. You may track your income and cost with PocketSmith, another tool for budgeting and spending. Both free and premium versions are available. In the same way as EveryDollar, you should look into it. However, if you use the free version, you'll have to input your transactions by hand. So oftentimes we are probably going to bump up into the paid version. Number 13. Clarity Money. Marcus Bank created Clarity Money, which you can use to keep track of your spending and budgeting. The app is quite basic. Considering Clarity Money can be a good idea if you are familiar with Marcus. Throughout this list, we've seen solid net worth and investment trackers like Kubera and Personal Capital, and there are also a fair number of budget software available that include free versions like Mint or commercial versions like YNAB. Therefore, in the end, you'll have to give everything a shot and find what works best for you. You should take the time to figure out what works best for your brain and your finances. Whether it's a spreadsheet, a cloud-based app, or something you download to your computer so that you can stay consistent with it. Whether it's budgeting or investing, and ultimately both to reach your financial goals. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You should always do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.